Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different juices. This is the first one. It's going to have watermelon, pineapple, strawberry, and cucumber. And the second juice is going to have orange juice, frozen blueberries, and frozen strawberries, and also chia seeds. They're super easy to make and they're just juices, so you can just blend forever. You don't have to worry about getting the right consistency because you definitely will. So let's get started. So for this first juice, I actually found out about it at a smoothie place that I go to. And yeah, like I said, it's just watermelon, pineapple, strawberry, and cucumber. It mainly has a cucumber watermelon taste, and cucumber isn't even my favorite. Like, I do not even eat cucumbers alone, but it it tastes so good. Like, it made me feel so refreshed. Like I just left the spa or something, and I've never been to a spa. So I'm going to try to remake that. And this is my first time trying to make it in front of you guys. I worked at a smoothie place for like 4 years, almost 5, I don't even know. It was a long time, too long. So I feel pretty confident in being able to just wing it. So I cut up half of a cucumber and I cut it into little slices because cucumber is best if you dice it, not dice it. Cucumber is best if you juice it, but I don't have a juicer, so I just dice it. If you hear that, those are my dogs running in the background. So like I said, since cucumbers are my favorite, I'm actually not going to use the whole half. Let's say I use like 3/4 of the half. So I'll do that math and put it up there so you guys don't have to just guess. Okay. I love strawberries. Let's see. Now, strawberries do not have a strong taste in juices or smoothies. I'm going to use 6 strawberries. For pineapple, I'm just going to do a couple of pieces of that because it wasn't really strong in it when I got it from that place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll say 7 little chunks of pineapple. And then watermelon, that was the second biggest flavor. So this is, I cut them into slices, but not equal sizes. So we'll say like 2, no, you see them, you can guesstimate. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of watermelon. And we'll see how this turns out. This is a Ninja blender, just in case anyone was wondering. It wasn't really blending at first, so let's see if it works now. So I blended pretty well. It still needs a little more, but I'm gonna add some ice. You do not have to add ice to your smoothies or your juices. I just like to add a little bit of ice to my juices to make them a little colder. Okay, that made around 22 ounces. That would be like a medium-sized cup in most places. Just giving you guys an idea. We'll see how it tastes. You can always blend it more to make it thinner. I just didn't feel like waiting anymore. It's pretty good. It's actually really good. I would just blend it more. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so after a lot of blending later, it got thinner, I hope. It really doesn't matter. I just like my juices thinner, like, let's be juice. Yeah, that helped a lot. I added a little too much ice, so I would say do a cup of ice max. But that is going to get you 22 ounces of juice, and I'll put more information in the bio because honestly I don't even remember how many pieces I used, so I'm glad I said it out loud. I'll put all the information. I said in the bio, in the description. I'm gonna move that to another container and move on to the next juice. Okay, I can't remember if I already said this. I think I did, but I just want to say it again because we're starting again. This has frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, orange juice. If you can get fresh orange juice, I would recommend that. It definitely makes it taste better. It's still gonna taste good. And chia seeds. You do not have to add chia seeds. I just like to add them because they're healthy for you. I know they're good for fiber. Don't ask me what fiber is good for, but that's what chia seeds are good for. And then I think it has a little protein too. So seeds, I have about 12 ounces of juice. These things always say tear here, and I can never tear them. I like to add more strawberries and blueberries because that's what I like, but it's up to you. I'm gonna say, I'm probably gonna have to add more juice. I'm doing half a cup of blueberries and then a fourth of a cup of blueberries. I know I'm gonna have to add more juice. And then half a cup, and half a cup. So 1.5 cups of strawberries, 3/4 a cup of blueberries, and I'm gonna say 16 ounces. Yeah, 16 ounces of orange juice. And then this juice, it's supposed to be a juice, so like I really probably will add more orange juice because I need it to be thinner. Then chia seeds is definitely up to you. I meant to look up what the serving size is, but I forgot. Okay, I forgot it says on here. 1 tablespoon is a good serving size, but this drink is gonna be for 2 people, so I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons. You cannot even taste chia seeds. Really, you can't even feel them. That's why I like adding them to my drinks, especially because I don't eat meat and a little bit of protein could really help me. Okay, I'm not gonna add 2. I'm gonna do 1.5 because tablespoons are big. Okay. And again, I will put all this in the description. Okay, so after many minutes of blending, I just didn't feel like taste testing again, so I was like, let's just blend it for a little while. But now it's done. It looks really good. It smells good. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is good. I like this more than the other one, but I've been drinking this for years, and like I said, I don't like cucumber that much. But if I like that drink and I don't like cucumber that much, that's how you know it's good. So here are your 2 drinks. I'm gonna have a little chit chat with you guys too, though, just because I don't know, like I don't know what content everybody wants yet, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of everything. I'm gonna pull up a chair. The chair's too far away, so I'm gonna get closer. So, some stuff, my mom's gonna get so mad at me for sitting on the counter when she watches this. I promise I'm gonna clean it up after with Lysol wipes and everything. Twice. Okay. I don't know. People ask me to talk about some different stuff. I guess let's talk about college. Let me figure out what the specific question was. Okay, so the specific question was like, what's the most important thing college has taught me? And also I think I'm gonna do like a little college video or a little college playlist, so I'll add this to there. I just want to talk now too. I guess the most important thing it's taught me is your major doesn't really matter. Like, I really thought it did, but there's so many people who, and there's a statistic on this too, but most people's jobs do not relate to their majors. And even if they start out there, like, it changes, which is good to know. Like, I've been changing my mind this whole time, so it's nice to know that I don't have to just do psychology, even though I have a psychology degree. Another thing it's taught me, doesn't matter what school you go to. I mean, yeah, if you go somewhere really good or really well known, like, it's gonna be a slight flex on your resume. But like, people talk so badly about UTA, but honestly, like, I feel like I'm pretty unbiased since I went to more than one school. The people who go there, like, get shit accomplished. Like, one of my friends, he just started a voter registration. I don't know if drive is the right word, but he did that last week with another one of my friends. And they just did it. Like, nobody had to ask them to. They just did it just because. And you don't see that all the time. Like, and they're not even in a specific organization that is for voting or for politics or even the NAACP. Like, they just did it. And I've seen a lot of people there. They're just like really dedicated and driven. And it's made me want to be like more driven. Like, if I want to do something, like, I just want to do this channel, like, don't just hold it off, do it. Like, and if it doesn't work out, it doesn't matter. And that's really everything with college. Like, if it doesn't work out, as long as you tried, that's all you could do. You tried and put in your 100% effort. Maybe you might not even like it anymore, but you tried. And that's one of the most important things I learned from college. Let's see, one other thing. I guess be honest with yourself too. Like, if you guys don't know, I changed my major. I was a bio major in pre-med, and I was just confused. And I'm still kind of confused, honestly. But yeah, just, if you know you don't like something, don't stick with it. Like, it is okay to change your major. And I know I was like, no, I'm not going to change my major. I'm going to go to med school, blah, blah, blah. And then after my first year as a bio major, I was like, I hate this. Like, these classes suck, but I still stuck with it. I was like, maybe it'll get better. And they were still the same. Like, I still hated those classes. I've been trying to do pre-PA, and I was like, no, like, I just don't like this. And I wish I would have changed sooner, because if I had changed sooner, I probably could have double majored or graduated early. Not even probably could have. I definitely could have, because I changed my major the last 3 semesters, and I still graduated on time. So if I had changed sooner, I could have double majored. And I wish I had done that, especially because my college was paid for. So I could have double majored for free. And I wanted to double major in business in the beginning of college, and I was like, nah. So if something interests you, just go for it, try it. Because I even added that business minor in my last 3 semesters. I squeezed all that in. So just go for it. Well, that's the most important things college has taught me, but I'll do some more on that later. But cheers. Hopefully you guys like these drinks. Please let me know. Oh, also, if you guys have matcha powder and it's sweet, please let me know about that too. I'm not looking for healthy. I'm just looking for something sweet, because there's a drink that I want to make for you guys. There's actually 2 I can show you, but I can look more up too. And it has matcha powder in it. And I've seen a lot, but I don't really care about the health factor as much, more of the taste. Like, I'm not going to eat something or drink something if it tastes nasty. Like, I'm sorry. This is so good. Drink this at breakfast. You'll feel so, like, refreshed and woken up, awake. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So hopefully you guys like these drinks. Please let me know if you like them, or if you have any specific fruits that you want to try to drink, let me know. I'll think of some recipes that I know, or I'll look up stuff. Like, this stuff is really fun to me. I want to do food, but I feel like I'm better at drinks. But yeah, let me know, and just comment it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I also wanted to add, I got my hair done like 2 days ago now. It still looks really good. So if you're in the DFW area and you're looking for a black hairstylist, I'll leave that information in the description. She's been doing my hair since I was little, and I love her. She is great. Her name's Maisha. She's great. And she did my weave last summer. It looks so good. I loved that. was supposed to get another one this year, but my trip got canceled, so I was like, let me just wait. But yeah, so I will leave her information in the description in case anybody is interested. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And you can also see the pictures of my weave from last summer in my Instagram, on my Instagram page, if you're interested. That's it. Bye.